Future-proof kitchen trends for 2025: smart, sustainable, and stylish. In the modern home, the kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It's the heart of innovation, sustainability, and wellness. In 2025, kitchens are evolving faster than ever before, driven by cutting-edge tech, eco-conscious design, and a focus on human health and experience. If you're dreaming of a kitchen that reflects the lifestyle of tomorrow while embracing comfort and aesthetics, stay tuned. These 4 trends will redefine the way we think about the space we prepare, eat, and connect in. Smart kitchens are becoming the standard, not the exception. Voice-activated appliances, AI-powered refrigerators, and smart ovens that recognize recipes are now commonplace. The Internet of Things, IoT, has brought full automation to the kitchen, allowing homeowners to control lighting, temperature, and cooking cycles via smartphone or voice command. These innovations don't just add convenience, they increase energy efficiency and prevent food waste. For instance, fridges now alert you when items are about to expire or suggest meals based on available ingredients. In 2025, a smart kitchen isn't a luxury, it's the new baseline for tech-savvy homeowners. Sustainability is a key design driver in kitchen planning. Eco-conscious consumers are looking for materials and appliances that support a greener lifestyle. Recycled glass countertops, bamboo cabinetry, and non-toxic paint are leading choices. Induction cooktops, which use electromagnetic energy, are replacing gas stoves to reduce carbon emissions. Composting bins and integrated recycling centers are becoming standard components in kitchen layouts. Water-efficient dishwashers and faucets also help reduce environmental impact. More than ever, the kitchen is a symbol of personal responsibility where daily habits can align with broader environmental goals. Wellness-centric kitchens focus on creating a healthier cooking and eating environment. Designers are integrating features that promote better air quality, natural light, and ergonomic efficiency. Under-cabinet grow lights for herbs, filtered water taps, and toxin-free cooking tools reflect a shift towards mindful eating and living. Pantry zones are being reorganized to emphasize whole, unprocessed foods. Even the color palette matters. Soft neutrals and earth tones are chosen to create a calming, appetite-friendly atmosphere. In 2025, the kitchen supports not just culinary creativity, but mental and physical wellness as well. Minimalist aesthetics with modular functionality are the visual language of 2025 kitchen design. Flat panel cabinets with hidden handles, multifunctional islands, and sliding partitions offer a seamless, clutter-free look. Open shelving is being replaced by concealed storage to maintain clean lines. Appliances are integrated behind panels, making them nearly invisible. Flexible designs also cater to remote work needs, with breakfast bars that double as workspaces and built-in charging stations. This minimalist approach isn't about having less, it's about living better with smarter space use and timeless visual appeal.